Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وهو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به نبات كل شيء فأخرجنا منه خضرا نخرج منه حبا متراكبا ومن النخل من طلعها قنوان دانية وجنات من أعناب والزيتون والرمان مشتبها وغير متشابه انظروا إلى ثمره إذا أثمر وينعه إن في ذلكم لآيات لقوم يؤمنون. Translation: He is the one who sends down water from the sky. Then we produce vegetation of all kind with it. We bring out green buds from which we produce thick clustered grain heaped up and hanging bunches from date palm and gardens of grape, olive and pomegranate, similar yet varied. Look upon their growth when they bear fruit and when fruits are ripening. Indeed, these are the signs explained in verses for the people who believe. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends down water from the sky, and this water brings out the vegetation from the earth. And this is in our common observation that how the water brings out the green little plants out of the earth, and then they grow into trees, and those fruit trees that grow, they have the clusters of the fruits, and these fruits are so beautiful to see when they are coming out and when they are ripening. And because of the weight of these fruits, we see that the branches are hanging down. These fruits are different in their quantity, in their color, in their smell, and in their taste, but some fruits are similar to the others, and the other fruits are quite different from each other. Initially, when the fruit comes out, it is not edible and it has no good taste, but when it ripes, then it becomes very tasty and very useful. And these are all the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this ayah and the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned so many signs that are given in this world for the guidance and for the benefits of human being. And some scholars have said that these ayahs also make a very strong point about the prophethood and about the wahi of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given so many things for the worldly benefit of humans, how come it is possible that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not give guidance for the spiritual life, for the spiritual way, and for the hereafter? How come Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is guiding humans when they are in the waters and when they are in the jungle and deserts with the help of stars, and there will not be any star to guide them in their spiritual path? When there is darkness, we see that in the morning time the light comes out, and when the whole humanity is in darkness, how come it is possible that the same creator will not send a prophet with the light that may get humanity out of the darkness and bring them in the light of the truth? So in summary, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us everything we need for this world, He has also given us everything that we need for our spirits and souls and the life hereafter. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.